guys, my name is Anthony and we're gonna make some slime. This is glue and this are Ariel. We're gonna make some Filipino sign and we're gonna need something to mix with, and I have some here glitter. I don't know if it's beads. It's beads. Beads. It says here colored glitter, but for me it's beads. So, and we need some bowl. So, and here we are. We have the bowl here, and let's get started. So the first one, we need some glue. Any glue. Oh my god, it's hard. So let's put some glue in. Let me open it. I wish this. Oh, I put too much. Oh, wait. Okay, put some glue, then here's Ariel. You can see it. Okay, I just put Ariel in, and let's mix. Oh my god, it's working. Oh, thank you, Lord. I think we need more. There. It's working. Here it is. It's working now. And I want my slime a little bit sticky for the beads. Then when you put the beads, it will be crunchy there. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ah. See more. More. Okay. Mix it. Okay, it's working now. Okay, here it is. Ah. It's getting hard. Oh my god. I'm so tired. Ah. Okay. Oh. No, whatever. Okay, here it is. My final slime.